Good morning. I'm Barbara from One Senior Place, and today I'm here with Ruth Rhodes. Ruth is one of our elder law attorneys in One Senior Place, and I'd like her to talk a little bit about her business and what she does for the community here at One Senior Place. So welcome, Ruth.
Thank you, Barbara. Thank you for having me.
Yeah, you've been in One Senior Place for, I think it's a little over a year now, hasn't it?
I believe we're coming up on 2 years.
2 years, yeah, yeah. Time flies when we're having fun,
Sure
doesn't it?
does.
So tell me a little bit about Rhodes Law, PA.
So what we do at Rhodes Law, PA is we are very focused on elder law matters and helping our elderly in our community and their families with different needs of the elderly. In the legal field, what I'm talking about specifically is estate planning, Medicaid planning, guardianship, avoiding guardianship, and VA planning as well. And different things that we try to do is we try to help folks avoid guardianship first and foremost. Okay, that's very important to me because guardianship can be very expensive, it can be very intrusive into your life, and it can be very emotional to go through the process of that. So if we can avoid that, I think it's important. So estate planning takes a big step in that direction of avoiding guardianship. Also, if I know that maybe long-term care might be on the horizon or immediate horizon, while we're doing the estate planning, we may also look into different ways of protecting assets and preparing for Medicaid, and kind of do a holistic approach to things so that we're not just putting fires out as fires are coming up, but kind of look ahead to see what might be going on or what might be in the foreseeable future and try to plan accordingly.
Okay. I know that with COVID, one of the hot topics has been making sure you have your living will, your power of attorney for health care, your durable power of attorney. And, how often do you have to get that checked out?
Okay, so it's recommended by experts, whoever they are, I'm not really sure, but it's recommended every 3 to 5 years to have your estate planning, including your advance directives, reviewed. Because occasionally there are changes in the law that could affect the validity of your documents. There are also things that could happen in your life that could affect the validity of your document. For example, if you have named somebody to be in charge of you under your power of attorney or under your healthcare surrogate, and they themselves have suffered some kind of health problem, or they don't want to serve anymore, or maybe they're getting too old to serve, or maybe unfortunately sometimes they pass away, we need to look at those things and make sure that we are, updating them regularly. So changes in law, changes in life circumstances can also trigger that review.
Okay. I also see that you do presentations here at One Senior Place.
Yes.
Do you want to talk about, when you do them? And
Sure. So once a month on the third Wednesday of the month at 10 o'clock in the morning, we always present some topic that we hope is timely and will be useful for different folks. This month we just did guardianship, how to avoid guardianship, and next month we're going to be looking at how to avoid estate planning pitfalls, because unfortunately people sometimes think they're completely covered because they visited an attorney 10 years ago or 20 years ago and have their documents, or they, God forbid, downloaded them from the internet and think they're covered, and then only to find out later they're not. And usually when you find those things out, it's often because there's a crisis, and now it's probably too late to update things. So that's what we're going to be covering in our topic next month.
Okay, great. I look forward to hearing about that. So if people want to get in touch with you, what number should they call to get in touch with your office?
Okay, so our main telephone number at our office is 321-610-4542. That's 321-610-4542. 888-888-4542. But also you can reach our office through our website, which is www.rhodeslawpa.com. That's RHODESLAWPA.com. And so you can contact us through the website as well.
And there's always someone in your office here at One Senior Place, correct?
That's right. So right now, our very capable Jackie is manning our office here at One Senior Place, and she's here 4 days a week. And but our office is open 5 days a week at the main office on Sarno Road.
Okay, thank you so much. So I hope if you have any questions about durable power of attorneys, living wills, any estate planning, give Ruth Rhodes a call. And if you want to come in and have a consultation with me to get other questions answered, I'll be glad to see you then. So thank you for sharing, and have a nice day.
Thank you, Barbara.